Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Starship Troopers Extermination game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just open up the Steam website. Simply search for it and open it. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on the login option. Now simply sign into your account, guys. If you don't have an account, then just create an account. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just simply click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now, once you click on that, now simply download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is also very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box, then just type the game, which is the Starship Troopers Extermination. Now, this game appeared on the top, so open up this game. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to library or add to cart. Now you can buy this game, just click on that option of add to cart option. Now click on that option of view my cart you are seeing here. Now click on that option of continue to payment. Now purchasing this game is very simple and easy. Simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay them out, now game was added to your Steam library. Just click on the library option on the top and on the left hand side just find this game, then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install Starship Troopers game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.